When switching over between your gateway configure to DMR Gateway right here, there's two things that I have noticed. One, there are certain restrictions with the password. When you're using MMDVM host and you're trying to connect that way, it seems to be a lot more lenient with the passwords. When you're actually using DMR Gateway, there's a few things that you have to keep in mind. One, don't use the word password. Don't use test. Don't use a 4-digit PIN code. Don't actually use anything that starts with a number. I tell people use something simple to you, a word, a color, a fruit, a vegetable, your favorite drink, your favorite food, whatever it may be, your favorite pet, you know, something very simple so that way you can, the system doesn't get too complex with it. Now, every time you change over to a DMR gateway, there's two things you need to do. One, you need to re-enter your password, even if it's already in there. Two, you need to reboot your actual device. So once you're done switching over and you click apply and everything, you're actually going to want to come up to power and reboot the device. Once the device starts back up, it's actually switching from just MMDVM host to a full-on DMR gateway. So this might be the reason or the issue that you're running into is that you might need to restart your device, or it might be the password. It might be a combination of both. But that is where I would start and suggest you look at.